Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial video about the DaVinci Resolve app for the iPad, and today I'm going to show you how you can set some default definitions, default presets for your timeline. You see, every single time that you open a timeline, well, you do have to change the definitions if you want to. Right here, as you can see, I have my timeline resolution is a 4K timeline resolution, and the timeline frame rate is 23.97 because I'm shooting all my videos in a Sony camera. So what happens if I want to change these settings? Well, it's really easy. I can go here and I can change this for whatever I want. And if I click save, right now my timeline settings are these ones. But what happens if I want to use these definitions from future projects? Well, more than just clicking and save, you can go here to these three dots and you can see that you can save current settings as a preset. You can save it and you can give it a name. Let's say YouTube preset, and there we go. So now whenever you open a new project or a new timeline, if you go to your settings, you can go and choose your preset, load preset, and it will have it right here. But what happens if you want your projects to always open with this default preset? Well, you can also do it, and for that you just have to go to these three dots again and choose set current settings as a default preset. If you do so, a message like this will pop up. These preset settings will be replaced with your current settings. You can't undo this action. Well, actually I don't want to do it, but you can do it if you want, and then every single time you open a timeline on a project will be opened with these settings that you just defined. Look at here, I have a YouTube preset that I just created. I can actually delete it if I want to. Let's delete it. Okay. And I have my default preset. Let me show you which is. This is the one that I use, the 4K. And I have also a 4K 60 frames per second preset. So let me show you what happens. Load preset. There we go. It's all set to go. With these, you can shorten your editing time for a little bit and just jump right into the editing course. Okay guys, hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video.